Welcome to our Garden of Delights. We're exploring the diverse world of nasturtiums, focusing on three fascinating species: Tropaeolum majus, Tropaeolum nanum, and Tropaeolum minus. These charming plants are not only visually appealing, but they also have unique characteristics that make them stand out. So let's dive in. All three species share the common traits of edible leaves and flowers with a peppery flavor, and they attract pollinators, making them valuable additions to any garden. All are natural pest repellents and can also be used as a trap plant to deter pests from other plants. Make sure you visit my channel and watch my video about using nasturtium to deter pests to learn more. All are deer and rabbit resistant, perform best in full sun, but can grow in part shade or dappled shade as well. All like lean, slightly acidic, well-drained soils, but can grow in clay, potting mixes, and sandy mixes. However, their varying sizes, growth habits, and flower characteristics allow gardeners to choose according to their specific needs. First up, we have Tropaeolum majus, commonly known as the garden nasturtium. This species is known for its sprawling growth habit, vibrant orange, red and yellow flowers, and brown leaves. It can grow from 12 to 36 inches tall and can spread widely, making it an excellent choice for ground cover or hanging baskets. Some examples of Tropaeolum majus are Tropaeolum polyphyllum, which is a perennial vine native to the mountainous regions of Chile and Argentina. It has tuberous roots, making it a bit more hardy. It has gray-blue foliage and golden yellow flowers. It's hardy in zones 8A through 11. I haven't had my own experience with it, but it's said that if you plant the tubers 18 inches or so underground, this nasturtium will be hardy all the way down to zone 6. Next up, we've got Tropaeolum speciosum, commonly known as the flame nasturtium or Scottish flame flower. It's a captivating vine with vibrant, long-spurred scarlet flowers. It's a native of Chile, where it's admired for its striking appearance. The flowers are a profusion of bright red, tubular flowers with long spurs. They're often compared to flames, hence the common names. The foliage are delicate and green, resembling those of clover. It is a vigorous climber that can reach heights of up to 8 to 10 feet. It's ideal for scrambling over walls, fences, or evergreen shrubs. While this plant is beautiful and relatively easy to grow, it can be invasive in some areas, so it's important to be mindful of its growth habits and potential spread. Next, we have Tropaeolum nanum, or Dwarf nasturtium. True to its name, this variety is smaller and more compact than Tropaeolum majus, growing only about 6 to 12 inches tall. It features similar vibrant flowers and edible leaves, but is perfect for smaller spaces, container gardening, or along borders. The dwarf form also offers a neat, tidy appearance, making it a favorite for urban gardeners. It shares the same delightful peppery flavor as its taller cousin. Some examples of Tropaeolum nanum are the Nasturtium jewel mix, which is a vibrant and colorful variety of Nasturtium nanum known for its diverse and eye-catching blooms. It features a mix of colors, including red, yellow, orange, and gold, creating a cheerful and visually appealing display. This variety is compact and bushy, making it suitable for containers or garden beds. It gets to about 12 inches wide and 18 inches tall. It has shield-shaped leaves that get about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. This variety is hardy in zones 9 through 11. Another variety Empress of India Nasturtium is a unique and striking variety known for its contrasting colors and long spurred flowers. It has blue-green leaves edged with maroon and long spurred scarlet flowers. It has a mounding growth habit and prefers moderate temperatures and can tolerate frost. Empress of India nasturtiums are typically considered annuals and are not winter hardy in most climates. However, in warmer regions with mild winters, they may survive as perennials. It has an 8 to 10 inch mature spread, along with a 10 to 12 inch mature height. Lastly, we have Tropaeolum minus, also known as the smaller nasturtium. Some Tropaeolum minus varieties includes Tropaeolum minus tip-top Alaska salmon. This is a compact, bushy, annual or short-lived perennial that forms a small bushy mound that grows up to 8 inches tall and 8 to 12 inches wide. It has rounded, parasol-like, variegated leaves with creamy white mottling and soft green foliage and beautiful salmon-colored, long-stalked, funnel-shaped flowers that bloom from winter to spring in mild climates and summer to fall in colder climates. Another variety, Nasturtium ladybird cream purple spot, is a dwarf nasturtium with cream-colored flowers that has purple spots and resemble a ladybug's back. The plant is compact and bushy, growing to about 12 inches tall and wide, and has dark green leaves with yellow petals adorned with raspberry red dots that form a small mound. It's an annual or short-lived perennial that flowers until the first frost. When we compare these species, several key differences and similarities emerge. Tropaeolum majus is the tallest and most vigorous, perfect for larger garden spaces. Tropaeolum nanum provides a compact option, making it great for smaller gardens or containers. Meanwhile, Tropaeolum minus offers a more understated beauty with its delicate stature and smaller flowers. In summary, whether you're drawn to the bold vibrancy of Tropaeolum majus, the tidy charm of Tropaeolum nanum, or the delicate grace of Tropaeolum minus, nasturtiums have something to offer for every garden. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. If you enjoyed this comparison, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more gardening insights. Happy gardening!